So today we're going to be cutting our dog's nails, and this is basically all the equipment that's needed because he won't let us cut his nails the normal way and he'll be putting up a fight. So we have this gadget of Amazon. We got a nail cutter and a nail filer and lots of treats. All right, let's get started. This is something called the Grooming Hammock that we got off Amazon. So the grooming hammock is mandatory if your dog doesn't let you cut their nails or puts up a struggle. But this thing is a lifesaver. So we're gonna use this exercise machine to hang the grooming hammock with him in it, and then we're gonna try to cut his nails. Chase, are you ready to get your nails cut? Oh, he's like, something is up. I will leave a link to the grooming hammock in the description below. The size that we got is extra large, but this is suitable for 80 pounds. And there's even a larger one that's suitable for 120 pounds. So this is how it looks once it's put on the dog. And you just basically hang them from somewhere that's strong that can hold his weight. So he's 85 pounds. So I know this exercise machine will hold his weight easily. But it's gonna be a struggle to hang him by yourself, so you'll need somebody else to help. So this is how we have the grooming hammock hooked up onto this chain. Just like that. And we have the front of the hammock that supports his body a little bit higher up. So he's a little bit more comfortable and is less likely to jump out of here. This is how it looks once it's all said and done. He looks a bit nervous right now, but he'll be just fine. When a dog's paw don't make contact with the ground, they tend to stay calmer, and that's the key to this whole process. It's okay, good boy. Good boy. Good job. Since he's done a really good job, he gets ice cream today. This is our little secret after all the nail cuttings. So eventually he'll lose that fear for nail cutting. Good boy. Good job.